was extending its reach outside the budget realm for some time, and it announced a strategic partnership with Tonino Lamborghini at MWC. The name is not a coincidence, as Tonino Lamborghini was founded and named after Ferruccio Lamborghini's son, though it's not associated with Lamborghini sports car, despite the logo's resemblance. The first smartphone coming out of it is the Tecno Pova Metal Tonino Lamborghini edition. From the vibrant red colorway to the aggressive back design featuring the triangular camera bump and pulse lighting running down the center, the Pova Metal Tonino Lamborghini stands out. Tecno also has a white and black variant, though the red version is more eye-catchy. This is one of the few phones that has a metal unibody design. Tecno claims it's the first ever full metal unibody 5G phone, and its refreshing take in the world of predominantly glass and metal sandwich phones. It has a nice heft curve around its back. Tecno revealed the full details about it, but just said it's going to be running a Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. The camera island houses tiny status display, which is similar to Nothing Phone 3's own glyph metrics. Like the Nothing Phone, you can personalize it to show dynamic effects, notification, 241 independent LEDs. It works in harmony with the pulse LED light strip running down the back. On the software front, it boots Tecno's iOS 16 based on Android 16 with custom Tonino Lamborghini theme and icon pack.